Hi, this is Chuck Oliver. Welcome to this week's Hidden Wealth Solution Review. Well, have you heard about the 10 times tax deduction? Because if you haven't, your friends and neighbors have, and they are taking advantage of it. And I'm going to give you a great example of John and Sue that I talk about on Hidden Wealth Radio, that we are able to show them how to retire faster. They're actually able to hit a earlier retirement by removing unnecessary taxes. Now, some of you that are participating or have learned about that program, you've even passed that information on to your kids. I think of one of our clients that referred their adult son that we've completely eliminated his income tax for the rest of his career, and the savings of that income tax will enable him to retire far faster in a number of years than his parents, and that's what his parents wanted for him. But for those of us that are trying to figure this thing out and we're transitioning either to or through retirement, go to retirementprotected.com. That's retirementprotected.com. I'm going to teach you how to remove your wealth from Washington because lawmakers are looking to destroy retirement accounts. And here's what's happening. The numbers are out, folks. Inflation isn't getting better. It's getting worse. It's worse on a wholesale level. It's worse on a retail level. Inflation is another form of taxation. So all of a sudden now there has to be more taxation to cover the inflation. Inflation is causing more taxation. It's a deadly spiral, folks. I want to teach you how to remove yourself. Go to retirementprotected.com. That's retirementprotected.com. And let me give you an example of John and Sue. It's a great example. Not only did they learn how to convert their IRAs to Roth and use the 10 times tax deduction to zero out their tax liability to do that, but this is also their highest wage last earning year, this year and part of next year, to meet their earlier retirement goal of next year, that they're saving tax on their income, tax on the conversion, tax on the income, but they also have a capital gain they're offsetting. So if you're a business owner, if you're somebody that's looking to divest out of real estate, maybe you have a large capital gain that you're trying to avoid, or maybe you've come into it already this year, like some of you reached out and say, hey, is it too late? No, it's not too late, folks. You have this year to take care of it. But I want to teach you whether it's income, Roth conversion, capital gains, the 10 times tax deduction, which has been in our tax code for decades, is transforming people to remove their wealth from Washington and avoiding lawmakers from trying to destroy retirement accounts. See, the legislative risk, I'll teach you this Tuesday, you don't want to miss. It's forcing the inability to do Roth conversions. And we have a tax sale, and we have legislation that still supports it. Take advantage of it before the lawmakers take advantage of you and I, folks. Retirementprotected.com, retirementprotected.com. Don't let lawmakers destroy your retirement. The 10 times tax deduction will show you the least amount of capital with the greatest impact of removing your wealth from Washington. Retirementprotected.com.